Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we're looking at Anjuke.com, which is a Chinese rental and real estate agency. Let's check it out. So Anjuke.com is an online platform for renting apartments, houses, and selling or buying apartments, houses in China. As you can see, the whole website is in Chinese. They have an app for iPhone and Android, but again, that's all in Chinese as well. So if you're not too good with your Chinese, or you don't have someone that can help you navigate the site, then what I suggest you do, what I do, is go to Google and use Google Chrome, which has an automatic translation feature. And then I can use that to translate moderately well from Chinese into English, and then I can kind of navigate the website from there. So what I do with this is I'm not going to be buying or selling a house in China, so I focus solely on renting a house. What you can do is you can either search for an area. So you've got all the Chinese here, and you see it takes a couple of moments and then the Google translates it. So you can do the searching by an area. So you can choose the areas of different cities. We're in Shenzhen, so I could choose Futian, for example, and then choose all the different types. Do I want to rent a bedroom or a full apartment? How much, etc. And I can scroll down through the pictures, or I can go back to that option and I can choose to rent not by search but by going into a map. So I can look at the map of my area and see all the different lines for the subway, because I'll probably want a bedroom or an apartment near a subway station, and all the different areas, and I can match it up with wherever I'm working. So I really suggest you try and find somewhere close to your work to actually live. But let's go back to search and we'll have a look through a couple of different places. So say that I want to be in Futian and I want to go in this Fumin building. On the top right, you can see the agent that's dealing with this particular rental, and then you've got some pictures that you can scroll through, sort of see what the apartment's like. And this one's one room, and it gives you the price, and also different options that you might also like. And it's got a little helpful map, and it also includes all the different rents for that sort of area, what do you expect to pay, more similar listings, and generally details about the house, what it includes, what's the size, does it include washing machine, bed, etc. Now from here, what I generally tend to do is, if there's a place that I like, I'll either screenshot this so I can show it to someone in person. That's normally they have like some Anjuke agents close by, and I can just send it to my phone, and normally it'll come up with my WeChat, and I'll scan with that. But contacting through here, generally you're going to be using Chinese, and mine's not so great, so I won't actually do it via the phone so much. I'll just try and find a person that can help me, and we can take it from there of how we're going to communicate. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.